I ordered something online a couple of days ago from Bike24, a pair of Schwalbe Big Apple Tires for the Birdy Bike, and they just arrived yesterday. So let's go and have a look. I got them in the storeroom in my house, hidden away, so the wife doesn't know. She's not here today, thank God. Pretty excited about these tires. I used them on my old Birdy, the matte black. Alright, here's my bike den. Not sure if you can see very well. Turn the light on. There you are. It's a bit of a mess, as you can see. There's my mountain bike there, and my wife's bike over there. This is where I used to park the Brompton, but I sold it, unfortunately. Here's my bike working stand from Decathlon. And that's the bicycle tire from Bike24. Huge bloody box, isn't it? There you go. So if you're wondering what these two boxes are, that one there is the Birdy Bike gloss white matte black. Some of you made comments on my Brompton Continental tire video that I should learn to change a bicycle tire myself. Well, as a matter of fact, I do change my tires myself because I do a lot of off-road cycling on my mountain bike. So I go for about 60-70 kilometers. I mean, out in the boonies. I mean, there's like absolutely no shops, nothing at all. So yes, I do know how to change the bicycle tire. In that video, I just wanted to show you a bit of Bangkok, and also the Brompton bicycle shop as well, which is quite unique. So yeah, I got my own toolbox here, and I got a couple of stuff in there that I've taken to pieces myself. That's all the, what do you call it, inner tubes and whatnot. I got a lot more stuff. I mean, the whole two cabinets are full of bicycle stuff. So there you are. Now, time to change the tire on that. I suppose I really should do an unboxing video, right? Okay, that didn't work. Stupid me. Let's do it the proper way. Oh, bloody hell. Difficult holding the camera and trying to unbox this. Oh, there you go. How about that then? As you can see, they're pretty wide. They give a very comfortable ride in comparison to the Marathon, the Schwalbe Marathon. These are also very durable if you're doing a lot of touring or long distance rides like I do. I don't know if I'm going to put what you call it, lining on there or not, lining inside. I have them on my mountain bike always because, like I said, I do a lot of off-road, and there's thorns and God knows what else that can punch in the tire and you know, make me pissed off for the rest of the day. Okay, time to put the tires on. Here's the Birdy gloss white matte black. Pretty sexy, isn't she? These are Marathon Was it Schwalbe Marathon? Schwalbe Marathon tires. As you can see, they're a little on the thin side. Once you put the Big Apple on it, it'll almost fill this area. They ride much better than these tires. They roll much better as well, more durable, believe it or not. So what have I done to the bike so far? Myself, okay? Emphasis on me doing it myself. I changed the saddle myself, replaced the pedals. What else did I do? I changed the handlebar, put mountain bike carbon handlebars on. They're wide, as you can see. I'm also going to put bar ends on later on. I got lights and bell lights. This bag, I'm not sure about it. I might take it off later on. Then I got a bottle holder from Decathlon. As you can see, there's no place to put a bottle opener. Oh, sorry. Jesus, what's wrong with me today? Bottle carrier. They usually put it hanging there, but I don't like that. So I put a bottle carrier there instead. I haven't even taken the sticker off yet. This is quite nice. It's a sticker though. So there you are. I plan to go touring on this later. Okay, change the tire time. Just now I had to stop what I was doing because I forgot I had to pick up my wife from the train station, bring her home so she can get dressed, and then I'll drop her off at the temple for a funeral tonight. Anyway, I'm back home and I put on the tire, the front tire. So now it's got what's it? Big Apples on front and rear. As you can see, it's quite beefy, right? If I remember correctly, these 18-inch wheels with Big Apples on them, they're equivalent to a 20-inch wheel with skinnies on them. So that's pretty cool, right? Well, the ride quality on these things are pretty damn good. Now look at that. See the, what do you call it? There's still a little bit of gap. I pumped them up to 70 psi. It says 30 to 70 psi. I'll put them to the full. I might bring them down later. I got the rotation on correctly. So as you can see, I do know how to change the tires myself. Alright then. I'll put the bike away, and then because I've got to go and pick up my son in a minute, and then we're going to ride tomorrow. Hello.